Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing about large numbers. In today's class we are going to discuss about Roman numerals. See here, just now, see here 57, 94, 134 are there, no? They are Hindu Arabic numbers. But in today's class we are going to discuss about Roman numerals. And while writing Roman numerals, no, here we are using 7 basic letters. Here I 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000 are there, no, they are Hindu Arabic numbers. So now whatever now I am showing, no, this 1, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So these are basic Roman numeral numbers. Here we are using only 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many letters we are using? Only 7 letters. By using these 7 letters, no, we are writing all the numbers. I hope you understood here. Here 1 stands for I. Here 1 stands for I. See here, I stands for 1. And this V stands for 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D denotes 500 and M denotes 1000. This should be in your mind while writing the examples, means while solving the Roman numbers, while writing the Roman numbers. So here one more time I will clear you. I represents 1, V 5, X stands for 10, L 50, C denotes 100, D denotes 500, M denotes 1000. Then while writing the numbers, no, you have to know the 3 rules. Here rule of repetition, rule of addition and rule of subtraction. So that should be in your mind. Rule of addition, rule of subtraction and rule of repetition. So let us start to write the Roman numerals. So here I means this is 1. Yes, I means 1. I means here what happened? 1 plus 1. How much it is? 2. How to represent? 1 plus 1 is 2. We are representing like this 2. Next 1, 1, 1. So how much it is? 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much it is? 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And here 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if you are writing like this, means for it's completely wrong. Why? Because here in Roman numerals any number will repeat only 3 times. See here, I 1 time repeated, 2 time repeated, 3 time repeated, means over. If you are repeating once again, means it's completely wrong. So for that we are that only we are calling rule of repetition. Here any number will repeat only 3 times. So see here, already you know here V means, okay, here 5 means V. Okay, if I wrote this is a bigger symbol, this is 5. If you are writing backside, means it is what? 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is rule of subtraction. If any number is repeated before the bigger number, see here I, V is there, V is greater and I is smaller. If it's repeated before the number, means that is rule of subtraction. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and we are representing like this I, V. So you know how to write V. V means that is 5. Again V, I means 5 plus 1. If it repeated behind, means before, that is rule of subtraction. If it repeated next after the bigger number, then that is rule of addition. See here I thought 3 rules: rule of repetition, rule of subtraction and rule of what? Addition. So here this is rule of repetition. Any number will repeat here only 3 times. And if a number is there, greater number, the smaller number is there before the greater number, that is rule of subtraction. If the number is there after the greater number, the smaller number is there, means that is rule of addition. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Next you take here VII means 5 plus 1 plus 1 means that is 7. VIII 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means that is 8. Okay, so VIII, if you are writing like this means that is wrong, because here any number will repeat only, yes, any number will repeat only 3 times. So here 10 is there, we know how to write 10, then write here x and write behind 1 means that is 9. Here 10 minus 1 means that is 9. Here x means that is 10. So these are some letters we are writing see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this type we are writing 1 to 10. So this rule you have to apply for you can if you know these rules, then you can write so many examples. So here I took some examples from your My Practice Time 7, page number 89. My Practice Time 7, page number 89. So see here, the first question is there, write the Roman numerals for the following. Write the Roman numerals for the following. So already you know, see here what is there, 57. 57 means you split this, you write this 50 plus 7. So here you have a special symbol to write 50. What is that? L. And one more thing I will clear you while solving this example, no, this you write in one corner and solve the examples. Okay, by practicing so many times, no, it will permanently fix in your mind. So here what is there? 50 means L plus, already you know how to write 7. Where is there? See here VII. So write here VII. So here LVII. So this type you have to write 57. This is Hindu-Arabic number. I have written this in Roman number. Next 94 is there. So 94 is there means first I have to write here 90 plus 4. Otherwise you write here 100 minus 10 means 90. 100 minus 10 and here I4 is there. Okay, so 100 means here how much is there? C and minus 10. First you have 100 minus 10 you have to write. First if you are writing this, that is also correct. If you are writing directly, that is also correct. So write here C, and C means 100. And you write here x means how much it is? 90. C means 100. 100 minus 10 means it is 90. Rule of subtraction. Next you take here IV. You know how to write 4 here. This is 4. So XCIV. So I am writing this for your understanding purpose. If you are solving like this, this is also correct. If you are solving, this is also correct. So 134 is there here. Next example. So here 134 means 100 plus 30 plus 4. So here 134 is there. So 100 means C. 30 X 100 110 120 130. Here 4 is there means IV. So this is the Roman number for 134. Next 324 is there, means 300 plus 20 plus 4. So here 300 is there means I have to repeat this C 3 times. 1 2 3 300. 20 means X and IV. So this is 324. Here 2012 is there, means here 1002 are there. Here 1000 means M. So write here M X. Next I 1000 2000 2010 2012. So this type you have to solve the example. See here most of the examples I have solved from your My Practice Time 7. Okay, here one more topic is there, that is write the Hindu-Arabic numeral for the following. Write the Hindu-Arabic number for the following. Here they given in Hindu-Arabic number, I wrote in Roman numerals. Now they given in Roman numbers and you have to write in Hindu-Arabic number. So here L is there. L means 50. 55, 56. So write here 56. I hope you are getting my point. L stands for 50, 55 and plus 1 means 56. So here see MD is there. MD. M means 1000. D means 500. Means it is 1500. C means again 100. So here see 1000. This is 500. This is 100. This 2 means here see 1000. This D means 500, C means 100, I means this is 2. 1000, 1500, 1600, 1602. So this way you have to write. If you are writing directly, that is also correct. For your understanding purpose I wrote that. Next here DC. D means 500, C means 100, means 500 plus C means 600, 610, 614, 500, 600, 610 and this IV means 614, 14 not 40, 614. See here DCCC. D means 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 853. 853. So this type we are writing the Roman numerals. For this you need to practice more and more. So please keep practicing in your home. So here some more examples are there. See here third main. Third main, what is there? Solve the following. So I will take here one example and that is CD, I. Next plus CM, X. Okay, this one example is there and one more is there, that is LXIX minus next XVI. See here, solve the following is there. There addition also there, subtraction also there. First you have to write this number in Hindu Arabic number. After that you have to add. This also number is there in Roman numerals. You have to write in Hindu Arabic number. Next you write in Roman numerals. You have to find here sum and you have to find here difference. So let us take this. How to write this? CDII means CD means it is 400. Yes, because it is a smaller unit and this is a bigger unit. D means 500 minus 10 means it is 400, 403. So this is 403. Next what is there? See here CMXXIX. Here CM is there means 1900, 920, 929. What is there here? Addition. So you have to add this number. 3 plus 9 is 12. 0 plus 3 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, 4 plus 9 is 13. Next then how to write this in Roman numerals? Here 1000 is there means M, 300 is there means C, 32 X, I. So this type you have to solve. First you have to write in what Hindu Arabic number, add again the answer you have to write in what Roman numbers. Here I will take one more example. Here you have to follow the same procedure but here subtraction is there. So just see this LXIX means it is L plus X means 50, IX means 9. So this is 59. Next here what is there? XVI means it is X means 10, 15, 16, 17. 17 is there. Okay, then see here subtraction. LX means it is 69. LX 50 plus 10 is, so write here 69 minus 17. XVI 10, 15, 16, 17. So subtract here. 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. So how to write this? 50 means L, 2 means I. So here this type you have to solve the example. So here 6 examples are there. Among them I have solved 2 and remaining you do as a homework. See here my practice time 7 is there. No, for that you need to practice more and more. If you know this chart, then you can write any number easily, and you should know the rules also. Rule of addition, rule of subtraction, rule of repetition. Okay. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.